Let's go. Let's go buy some shit. Oh, Mr. Snap-on.
Woo!
What day is it today?
Snap-on Wednesday.
Snap-on Wednesday.
Everybody hates you when you love rock and roll!
Yeah. Those business?
Busy?
Yeah. It's always busy. We got new. Anything new?
Zoomed in or something?
So, different aspect footage for me. Snap on Wednesday.
Get to see your smiling face, not just hear your voice.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's time. Trying to get Jordan to come out here too.
I got some repo tools
Oh,
there.
there you go.
Do you? What do you got?
1/4 inch air ratchet with the sockets. The 3/8 air impact gun sitting there in the box. And this 1/2 inch impact gun. Repo depot.
Worn out and rebuilt.
Repo.
Not
You're actually
paid.
just filming for me today.
Ah,
You can just send me the footage after.
Sounds good.
Come on.
75 bucks.
$75 for what? Oh, 1/4 ratchet.
This one. This one. This.
Oh, I have can we order a rebuild kit for my 1/2 inch ratchet?
Air ratchet.
My actual 1/2 inch ratchet. I need this done. I have the
I'll add that to my list. Snap on Wednesday is done and gone, buddy. What did we get today besides nothing?
I'll ball opener. Well, man.
Oh, a bottle opener. Oh, man, he got the bottle opener. Yeah. Fucking awesome. Yeah. I did a little bit of rearranging today, guys. I brought in a screen that doesn't fucking work. This is an old PlayStation 3D screen, if you guys remember what these look like, or what these were. And then I got Bluetooth keyboard. So now my laptop just kind of lives back there in the bottom of that drawer. Yeah, the bottle opener. Yeah. You're gonna love this. I haven't even put mine up yet. I'm gonna be putting it up, no problem. It's gonna once I move, I'll be using it every day because it's beer o'clock every o'clock. Finally, this month, guys, it's gonna be back. I'm gonna be doing the flyer reviews for you guys, so that'll be up probably within the next 2 days. And I got a rebuild kit for my 1957 ratchet, Canadian made, half-inch L710. So that'll be a whole other video. I'm going to do the rebuild on that one. Show you guys how this one actually comes apart, because it's not that easy. It's not as easy as it looks. I had it apart the other day. So other than that, not much has changed. What else was it? Oh, that's what it was. A subscriber of mine sent me these decals. Jonathan Delgado. The Sticky Vinyl is his company. If you guys want to check him out on Facebook, he will do pretty much anything you want. And these ones are 3/4 inches tall. Fits perfect for the top of the Epic. He did some for his Toolbox, I believe, and they're 1 inch. I don't recommend you doing them on carbon fiber wrapped vinyl. They don't stick all that well, but you gotta use some heat, but they will go on there. So it just makes it look kind of cool once it's all out, eh? Let's put this ratchet back in here. It's kind of where that bitch lives, but it looks cool. Of course, you guys remember that I didn't do the vinyl for or the wrap for all my drawers because, well, I did the bottom 3 and then I just completely got lazy. So I did the bottom 3 drawers of the carbon fiber wrap. But it looks just really slick. And on the other toolboxes where the drawer tops stick out a little bit, kind of like Bindy's over there, it looks really cool because they all stick out. Mine, you don't see it until you pull it out. But it just kind of adds to it, eh? So check out Jonathan's page, The Sticky Vinyl. I will leave the link in the description for it. You guys can head over there and check it out and private message him all you want on Facebook, and he will take some orders for you guys if you guys are into that. But he can do anything, guys. He can do all the big Snap-on logos. He can do pretty much anything you want. So you want a custom nameplate or whatever, he'll do it for you. And yeah, we got July's Hot Tools flyer, and I'm going to be doing a review on that one. It should be up in a couple days, like I said. Other than that, peace out.
Take care.
Yeah, another good successful Snap-on Wednesday. Didn't really get too much, but yeah, you still got some stuff coming in.
Yeah, just waiting on my torque wrench and my
Yeah.
flex head.
Oh yeah, yeah. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Yeah, share the page, share the channel. And peace out, guys. We will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.